Today we are going to talk about monsoons and its related problems in both adults and children with focus on children. So monsoon season is one season where we see nearly 2 times the infections that from various bacteria, viruses and other. So if I divide them predominantly, they would be water and foodborne infections which give rise to infections like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, hepatitis A, hepatitis E and other viral infections which can also affect your gut. Then comes the mosquito-related issues like dengue, and India is virtually like 1/3 of the dengue cases in the world are being seen here. So those cases besides malaria, chikungunya, which are all mosquito-borne because the breeding is more during this season. And the other like respiratory infections, the virus gets right temperature to multiply, and therefore infections like the common cold, flu are also seen more during these seasons. And last but not the least, sometimes adolescents and young children, because of the poor hygiene, they can have acne, etc. in that. So if you want to prevent yourself from the monsoon related infections, here are some tips. 1. Keep your hand hygiene very well. Ensure good hygiene of water and food. Boiled water or an RO water should be used for drinking. Better to carry a bottle if you're going out. And do not keep your food open for a long time because they can get easily contaminated with bacteria and virus. Immediate putting them in the freeze and then using fresh things are good. Cleaning properly the vegetables and fruits and using vinegar to clean is a good solution for that. And then also eating a healthy diet which is good in terms of proteins, vegetables, fruit, ensuring a good sleep. All this will improve the immunity of your child. There are vaccines available for flu as well as hepatitis A and typhoid, which could be a good option if to prevent such infections. And we should all do our best to see that we can reduce the mosquito-borne infections by ensuring that there's no waterlogging in your pots, your small pits at home, and ACs, conditioner, the coolers, etc. So these are the places where you can prevent waterlogging and multiplication of these mosquitoes. So let's enjoy the monsoon with these precautions to prevent our children from infections.